Hello friends, I am Roshni Sanjay Rao Bhadangi. I am studying in BSc third year CZ group from Sri Shivaji Science College Amravati. Today I am going to conduct seminar Radioisotopes. Content of my seminar: Introduction, Radioisotopes, Properties of radioisotopes, and last, Application of radioisotopes. What are radioisotopes? Radioisotopes are widely used in medicine, industry, and scientific research, and new applications for their use constantly being developed. Radioisotopes are radioactive isotopes of an element. Different isotopes of the same element have the same number of protons in their atomic nuclei but differing number of neutrons. They can also be defined as atoms that contain an unstable combination of neutrons. Radioisotopes. Isotopes are atoms of an element that have the same proton number Z but a different neutron number A. Unstable isotope which decay and give out radioactive emission, naturally occurring or artificially produced. Properties of radioisotopes. First, emits radioactive radiation which have different penetrating ability with materials of different thickness and densities. Kill cell, cause cell mutation. Ionized molecule have the same chemical property as non-radioactive isotope of the same element. Its activity decreases with time. How do radioisotopes occur? The combination can occur naturally, as in radium 226, or by artificially altering the atoms. In some cases, a nuclear reactor is used, in others, a cyclotron. The best known example is uranium. All but 0.7% of naturally occurring uranium is 238. The rest is the less stable or more radioactive uranium 235, which has 3 less neutrons. Application of radioisotopes. Isotopes have same chemical properties, hence they behave in a given chemical reaction in an identical manner. However, in case of radioactive isotopes, the property of radioactive is preserved by it during the reaction. Hence, the presence as well as the passage of a radioisotope in a chemical reaction can be found by detecting its radioactivity with the help of Geiger counter or any suitable device. Due to above properties, radioisotopes are widely used in industries, agriculture, medicine, and bioscience. First, in medicine, there are many examples of use of radioisotopes both for diagnostic and therapeutic purposes. Radioiodine is used in medicine to diagnose the activity of thyroid gland and also for its treatment. The intense gamma radiation obtained from radiocobalt are used in treatment of cancer under the name cobalt therapy. For checking up the circulation of blood in a particular limb of the patient, a minute radiosodium in form of NaCl solution is used. Gamma rays are used for the sterilization of medical products. In industry, radioisotope find many applications in industry both in research and in process control. Any leakage in the underground pipeline can be located by allowing a radioactive liquid to flow through it. The thickness of coating or layer of moving sheet of textile, paper, and rubber sheet can be measured and also controlled by using SR90. Mechanism of many reactions of industrial importance such as alkylation, polymerization, catalytic synthesis, etc. can be studied by using radioactive carbon as tracer. In agriculture, by using Ca45 as a tracer, it has been possible to measure the uptake of calcium by plants from the soil. The respect of phosphate fertilizer, it is possible to find optimum amount of fertilizer and a stage of growth at which it should be applied with the help of labeled isotopes P32. Mutant varieties of high yielding crop plants are developed by irradiating the seed with gamma rays from a radioactive source. Gamma rays from CO60 isotopes are used for the preservation of onion and potatoes. In bioscience, radioactive and radiation techniques have significantly contributed to the study biology and bioscience, particularly experimental biology. Some representative applications are given below. Important pathway and biosynthesis of low molecular weight substances have been understood by the use of H3 and C14 labeled organic compounds. Radioimmunoassay has been an active subject of interest in the biomedical field and is now used for the measurement of most of the biologically important substances such as hormones, drugs, vitamins, viruses, etc. Autoradiography technique is conjugation with microscopy has been employed in the study of DNA replication and study of protein synthesis. In addition of C14 and S3, other common isotopes used in biology for various studies are P32 and S35. Thank you for watching this